Now, one thing you need to do is always watch what you're cooking. Let's make sure that our shrimp is cooking properly. Turn the heat down because you don't want your shrimp overcooked. Check your pasta. Make sure your pasta is cooked evenly. And also, make sure you check your vegetable. Now, bonus item for tonight. We're going to prepare garlic bread. One of the things I like about garlic bread is that you can make it any way you like. These particular loaves that I have here tonight are from my favorite big box store. They're a nice sourdough loaf. They're easily prepared. Simply take and cut them on a bias. Cut them a little on the thick side. Gives you a little bit of flexibility and it doesn't overcook them. And the way I like to take and cook these is on one of the more popular panini makers that are now available. This particular panini maker has the bonus of both being a griddle and a panini maker. It also gives you temperature control. Temperature control is really important because you don't want to blast everything that you cook on it. So with temperature control, you can really keep an eye on the level of heat that you're applying, so that you can gauge your meal and give things like your garlic bread or anything else that you're cooking a nice even coat and a nice even color when you're cooking it. Now with garlic toast, all you really need to do is take and flip your bread over very gently, take your favorite olive oil, gently coat your bread with your olive oil, and then we'll pop that on top of our panini maker. When it comes off, we'll add a little bit of garlic by just taking and brushing a little bit of fresh garlic on it, and that'll give us a nice light flavor. It's pleasant, it's not overly powerful, and it just gives it that nice even flavor that you like to have when you're enjoying a meal. In a minute, we'll be right back.